Welcome, guys, to this unboxing of the POPMART Digimon Adventure Fridge Magnets. I love Digimon. Digimon has been one of my favorite series, and when this came out with the magnets, I had to get the whole set. So hopefully we can get those secrets. Preferably, I'd like War Greymon. One of my favorite Digimons next to Beelzemon. I think Beelzemon and War Greymon are top two, and maybe Black War Greymon in there. So some of my favorites. All right, let's get started with the openings. Very nice box. Very cool. Here we're looking for those secrets here. Hopefully we can get one of them. If not, it's all right. Let's unbox the first one. Comment down below which one you think is going to be the first Digimon to pop out. Also comment what your favorite Digimon is and what series you like better. I prefer to like the original, but also Frontiers is there for me. I really like that one, but the original first series was very good. And here we get Virgimon, the first one. Nice, very cool. Just comes with a cool little card and a little packaging. Maybe on for the second one. Let's see what this one will be. Don't worry, we won't peek. We'll find out together. Togemon, nice. Very cool. These look very cool. Put the card. It's nice. It comes with a little card. The magnet. On to the next one. So I've been trying to collect Digimon stuff lately. Obviously these and some Digimon cards. I was when I can, I try to go and get some of the booster cases and Metal Garurumon. Nice. Not the secret, but that's okay. It looks very cool. We'll see if we can get the secret War Greymon card. Very cool. On to the next one. Let's see, and the next one will be Ikakumon. Nice. Oh, this one looks very cool. Nice and big. Put the card. So far, I'm liking all of these magnets. They look very cool, very well done, very detailed, very cool. I'm happy. And I was able to get this from the POPMART store. I didn't get it from a reseller, which all our favorite people, right? And Gatomon, nice. Very cool. Look at that. Let's check some of that detail out. Very cool. What is it? Tailmon in Japan, but Gatomon here in the US. Very cool. Let's see. What will the next one be? Greymon. Classic Greymon. One of the best Digimon. Look at it. Look at this big boy. Look at him. Very cool. the whole Agumon line. I love the whole Agumon line, especially War Greymon and Black War Greymon. Put that up there. Get out the way. Get this trash out the way. See in the next one. Let's see, what will it be? Come on. Oh, and War Greymon. Oh, look at this guy. Oh man, awesome. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, this not the secret, but I like it. See, Black War Greymon right there. His brother. You can't really see it up there. Oh, I forgot the card. Almost forgot about this guy. Bring it back down. Put the card. These are very cool so far. I love these. So all you Digimon fans and Pokemon fans. Oh, look, Angemon, nice. Angemon Classic. Oh, look, something flew out. It comes with its little staff. Very cool. Let's try and put it on. Oh, looks like right here. Put that guy on. Nice, very cool. I like that they gave him his little staff. But for you all Pokemon and Digimon fans, which one do you prefer? I like both. Might lean a little bit more towards Digimon now. But I mean, I like both. I obviously play more Pokemon since they're constantly coming out with games. In Digimon, I played a lot of the Digimon games, and I hope to play the new one that's coming out I believe this year. And then so hopefully we're gonna play that soon. See, the next one is Garurumon. Nice, very cool. Very cool, very cool. Also another favorite among fans, the Gabumon line. Let's see, what is the last one? I already forgot what we have left. And the last one is Kabuterimon. Oh, the goats. Very cool. I've been liking the Kabuterimon line a little bit more ever since the movie with Mega Kabuterimon. If you haven't seen the movie, if you have seen the movie, you know why, but that's very good. But yeah, let me know here if you want me to unbox any of these, like the Prismatic or the Greymon. Let me know. Thanks, guys. Here, let me show you guys how they stick onto the fridge. Baby Yoda, hello. See, very cool. These, oh, very cool. Nice. They just snap on there. Very cool. They pop out. Here. Thanks, guys. I appreciate all the support. Hope you can like, comment, share, all of that. Appreciate it. Let me know what your favorite Digimon is. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Catch you guys next time.